Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your missing eye profile view on TikTok. So for those people who do not know what the eye profile looks like, or what its function is, you can come to profile and at the top you can see the eye looking icon. Click on it and it shows like who has viewed your profile. So in my case, this person named Playas has viewed my profile over here. And remember, only people who have viewed your profile within the 13 days period is going to be shown. So it's not going to show you the entire history. Every 30 days it's going to reset, so you can only see the people who have viewed your profile in the last 30 days. Alright, so let's say you don't see this over here and it's missing. What you can do is go on your App Store or Play Store over here, and first step, make sure to search for TikTok. Now why I want you to search for TikTok is to make sure if your TikTok is up to date. If it says open over here, don't worry, your TikTok is up to date. But if it says update over here, you gotta click on update to update your TikTok, because this eye feature is like a new feature in the latest version of TikTok. So unless your TikTok is in the latest version, you're not gonna see it. Alright, so make sure your TikTok is on the latest version, and after updating your TikTok and it's on the latest version, you can see this over here. And if you don't see this still, even after updating your TikTok, what you can do is delete your TikTok and reinstall it again. Once you do that, all of the fault and bugs are gonna be resetted on your TikTok by deleting and reinstalling your TikTok, and it should be fixed. And even after doing that, it's not fixed, then what you can do is come on profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three dot at the top, or three line, and go on versus setting and privacy. Scroll all the way down and click on versus report a problem. Once you click on report a problem over here, versus account and profile, click on it, and over here where it says profile page, click on it. Scroll all the way down, click on other, and over here click on need more help. And over here you want to write this: hi, my TikTok profile view feature is missing, can you help me fix it? So the eye icon is called profile view, so make sure to write that and click on report. Once you click on report, this problem is going to be sent to TikTok. TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, and the other thing is, make sure to check your setting if it is off or not. So to do that, you can click on the three line, go on versus setting and privacy, go on versus privacy, scroll a bit down and you can see profile view. Click on it and make sure it's on. Sometimes it is turned off and it's not going to be shown on your profile, so make sure to turn it on. And even after turning it on, you don't see it, or even after coming to setting, you don't see this profile view option, then you gotta report the problem. All right, so that's how you guys can fix your missing eye profile view on TikTok. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide for fixing your problem. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.